Hello again. This is another session of learning Mendeley Desktop, which is an important software to learn. We talked about different features of Mendeley. We talked about file, edit, view, tools, files, and details, how to create, how to add files. We added files in different ways, how we added folder. Also, we talked about how you create a folder here and how you add a paper to your workspace, and these buttons will be activated. Now, if I just remove this one from my working space, so remove from folder. Now, if we go to tools, and in tools, I'm going to go to tools and make import, install import. Okay, install import, hit on this one. So we'll see, I think hopefully there should be, okay, not that one. We're looking for install. Install import. Let me close first the browser, see what happens. Okay, now because I wasn't closing the browser, so it's fine. Now you need to close the browser, and then once you click on it, and then you will find. So just one more time I'll do it. So close this one. You go to tools and install web, and you will have a browser pops up. Here in this browser, we need to be able to. There is a button called Get Web Importer for Chrome. So click on it. Click on that one. It takes you to another browser, which is Chrome. Here, because I already added Mendeley icon to my Chrome browser. So, and it's here, you can see that. But let's say I remove it. I remove that one. Remove it. You can see it was being removed. Now, in your case, you will be going to add to your Google Chrome. You have to add it. I add it, and add the extension. It has been added. Now, it doesn't look here. It is still trying to add, and it has been added, and you can see that was added, and you should have the same thing. Once this one added, then you can check it here. I tried to fix it there. Pin extension, just click pin extension, so that permanently should be there all the time. Now that's done. I'm done with that one. For example, if I want to, if I have a paper, for example, on my desktop, I know one of the papers. Let's say here, this paper. I try to open it. Or let's say the other paper. Let's say if I try to find this paper, let me check this paper. I'll take the title and try to go to check it from internet. Okay, I'm trying to open a file and click on it on the desktop. Here it was found in ScienceDirect. Okay, so I'll go to ScienceDirect. Here you can download the paper from here, but you can click here. You can click here. Once you click on that one, you'll have something I consent to use of this data by the extension. So I say okay, and I done that. Let's wait for a second, see what happens. Now that was happen. So if I try to one more time, close this one and open here. Sorry, file. See what I can get. So double click. Now, you can see that I have these files, that the file, it was found for me, and I'm going to add it. Now, if I go to Mendeley first, we'll see whether I have this file. Okay, I'll go to Mendeley first. I don't have any file here, and I want to synchronize. The synchronization makes what? Makes the synchronization, the timing between the Mendeley Desktop and the browser. So click on it, and you see the synchronization is done. So if there is any removing document or removing folder, it'll make it for you. And then we'll check this one with the web browser. If we can go to the web browser one more time, and I'll take this, I'll take this file. Okay, go here, open it. Let me remove this one and open it. And that's the file that I'm looking for, which is a new evolution algorithm learner performance base. See whether we can click on this one, see what happens. Now, see the difference between before and earlier. Now it gives you the option, because that synchronization, you know, synchronize the web browser as well. You know, it gives me my library. Before that, it wasn't giving me any my library. And if you just recite this video clip, and you can see that part. So here, I was looking for an evolutionary algorithm learner performance-based behavior by Chinur and Tariq Rashid. And it gave me a lot of options, but I'm interested in this one only. I want to add this one to my library. That's all I need. So I go to my library, and I have papers. I have only one folder, remember. You see, before I didn't get this option. Once I did the synchronization, I got this option. So I click on it, and I add it, okay? I think it takes time to be added, so it will be added. Now it's added. Let's go back to our desktop. Our desktop doesn't have that file. So let's see, this is my desktop, which is static on my desktop, but it is, I did a synchronization for it before. So let me do synchronization here. Click on that synchronization and see whether I can get that file. Oh, bingo, I got it, which is, I got something from the internet browser, got the file that I look, and that is the file that I wanted to show you. So the synchronization is very, very helpful. It gives you the option to connect the desktop with your browser. If you found, let's say you found a document and you wanted to import it to your Mendeley, that will do it for you easily. I hope that was helpful. Thank you very much for joining this session. Thank you. Bye. See you next session.